So this company contacted me and said, will you do a review on your YouTube channel of our product? And it's the Crimpers. Here's the company name. It's hard to pronounce. And they were nice enough to send me these heat shrink butt connectors. A variety of these in here. And this is the pliers they sent me, the crimpers they sent me. And the back of it shows the insulated wires here, and this is the model number KF-30J, and all the different AWG sizes, 3060, all color coded to 14 and 1210. They're very heavy. They're heavy duty pliers here. Got some weight to them. And this is the pack of connectors, the shrink butt connectors they sent me here. Nice case. So here's the case. It comes in 210 pieces in here, all different colors, formats here, and a little bit of different ones in this corner here. So we'll open them up here with our Fiskars knife here. So 210 heat shrink butt connectors. Nice case, and it's got a little clip on here. You can hang it on your wall. Inside it shows you the different steps. So you crimp it, use your heat gun. 4 different sizes here, so very small ones, 26 to 22, and 30 of those. The red ones, 22 to 16, 80 of those. The blue ones, 16 to 14, 80 of those, and the yellow ones, 12 to 10, 20 of those. So the real small ones here, and very small, 22 to 26. The red ones here, red ones 22 to 16. The blue ones 16 to 14 here, and the yellow ones, focus here, 12 to 10. So let's open the pack and see what's inside here. They got some weight to them. They're solid. On the outside here, nice and smooth finish on the outside of the pliers here. You got these E-clips that holds it together. This is your, you can tighten, using this to tighten your, it's got the 3 dies in it. Color coded on both sides. I like the handles, the way the handles are. Got the grooves in here. Flared at the end. Comfortable in the hand. Now, to get them started, you squeeze them. It's at ratcheting. This lever will release the handles. So clicking it, and if you have it set wrong, just push this handle forward, releases the jaws. Take a look at the dies inside here. There's 3 dots here. 3 dots, 2 dots here, 2 dots, and 1 dot here. There's a screw here. You can take the dies out if you need to. They got the etchings on them here. They're hard to see. They're etched in here. Both sides. And they're about 9 inches long. So Torx 10, T10. We'll remove the jaws here. 2 screws holding the jaws in there. Simply slide out. Line it back up. So today we bought some wire here. This is 1614, the blue one, and this is 14 gauge wire here. We're going to try this. And the other ones too. This is number 18 wire, and we're going to use this. Flip it around. 22 to 16. And finally, number 10 wire. We're going to use this one, 10 to 12 gauge. Bought these spools just to do this wiring, to clip these different butt connectors. So on these crimpers, these butt connectors, you can see just inside there's a little lip inside there, a crimp right in the middle, so the wire does not go all the way through. So it'll just go inside it on one side, push it all the way in there, and it'll stop here. So you have to crimp it on both sides, this side and this side. The blue one, we'll put it inside here. Just line it up here. You just want to do the one side and crimp the one side, and then flip it over, put the other wire in. So you make sure you click all the way down till the pliers release. There's your crimp. So that's in there nice and tight there. That's not coming out. So put the wire on the other side and crimp it on the other side. So we got it locked in the jaws here. Just put our wire in. Now let's bottom out and just squeeze together. Complete the there's the other crimp. We got our butt connector, the red one here, and just flush against here, and then we'll put our wire in. I find it easier to do it that way. Put our wire in, then we're going to crimp it. There it's crimped. Nice job. This little crimp in there, and it's solid in there. It's not coming out. Put the wire on the other side. So we got it inside the red dot here. Put the wire in. I'm going to crimp it down. There, nice crimp. Crimped it nicely. Flip it over here. Now you can't take it apart. Nicely done. So this is the stranded wire. I got it in the yellow part of the crimper here. And we're just going to put that wire in there and crimp this side. And put the solid wire on the other side. This goes in here. Squeeze the handles together. A little harder because it's a bigger wire. There, it's crimped. See, it's crimped really well here. That's not moving. So we'll put the solid wire on this side. There's where your markings are here. That's nice and solid there. So we'll put our other piece in here. Line it up inside the pliers here, the crimpers here. Line it up so that it's just on the edge here. Want to crimp it, and this is the solid wire. The solid wire in there. Crimp it down. Make sure it goes all the way. Bigger wire, number 10 wire. Now the pliers will release. There's your crimp. Here's your crimp. They did include these very, very small ones, 22 to 26 AWG. This is small wire. So I'll try to put it in here and let's see if we can crimp it. So the red one's the smallest one. We'll put it in there, see if it will crimp it or not. I don't think so. It's just too small. Oh, I did catch it. Well, did catch it. Very small wire. I did catch it. It's pretty incredible. So the word heat shrink, I did it just with using a lighter. I don't have a heat gun, but they do. It will shrink it on the wire. Just using a lighter here to simulate it. So I picked up some more stuff here from Home Hardware, different ring terminals. We'll try them out in this these crimpers. This is 22 to 18 AWG, 16 to 14 AWG, and 12 to 10 AWG. So this is number 18 wire, and this terminal, the terminal is 18 to 22, and put it in the red one here. Line it up here. Screws the pliers together. Makes a nice crimp. That's solid too. Very nice. So this is number 14 wire, and this ring terminal is 1214. Let's put in the blue one here. Just line it up here. And then squeeze the ratcheting mechanism. Very tight. There you go. Nicely done. 2 dots on it. Nicely done. The 2 dots, both sides. This is not coming apart. Did a nice job. This is number 10 wire, and this is 1012, the ring terminal. So you're really going to have to reef on this. Not to really get a great grip. And they have to go together. There, clicked. It's in there tight. But look at the nice connection you have. Very nice. Very solid. That's not coming out. That's the hardest one to do. Very thick wire. So how many takes did I do this video today? Took several takes and several trial and error. It's hard to do the video when you can't see what you're doing between the camera. You're looking between the camera and what you're trying to do. It's hard to do that. And these crimpers are nice. They worked well. I just had to experiment with it. I bought the extra wire to show you. And I'm glad that they sent all these extra heat shrink connectors, because I sure used a lot of them doing this video. I'd like to thank KFC PTEC for sending me these crimping pliers and all the heat shrink butt connectors as a package here. And I'll leave a description where you can get them on Amazon in the description below. These are very nice pliers. I like the handles, how they're grooved here. I like the way they're flared. Makes a good grip when you're doing work here. Nice features. You can do the tension here as well. And these dies can be changed as well. There's 2 screws here to hold them in place. And you see inside here the different, you can see the 1, 2, 3. When we did the ring connectors, you see that imprint on the ring connector. Did a very, very nice job on them. And that action, that clicking action, very nice. And if you make a mistake, just push that little lever forward, and then it releases it. You can restart again. So I thank all my subscribers, all my new subscribers. Thanks so much. Subscribe to my channel. Watch this for the first time today. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video today. Have a great day, people.